the Boston Associates began developing Lowell. They built a huge system of canals to bring water from Merrimack River into the city. The water powered turbines and machines inside the mills. The basic idea was simple: river to canal to turbine to machines and then cotton production. Eventually, Lowell had more than 6 miles of canals. It became one of the largest water-powered industrial systems in the world at that time. In Lowell, factories, energy, workers, housing, transportation, and city planning all worked together. Today, I'm going to take you inside 2 historic textile mills. First, we're visiting the Boott Cotton Mills Museum.
Hello everyone, this is Lucas. Behind me is the cotton mill.
The museum is located inside the historic Boott Mill buildings, and this is probably the coolest part, the weave room. There are 88 historic power looms here, and many of them are still running today. When you hear all those machines working, you can almost imagine what a real textile factory sounded like 150 to 200 years ago. It's like stepping back in time. Next, come with me on a trolley train to Suffolk Mill. Suffolk Mill was one of the major textile mills in Lowell, but this time we're going to look at something different: the power system. The turbine exhibits showed how water from the canals was used to power the entire mill. Water flowed through the canals and turned a huge Francis turbine. The turbine then provided mechanical power for the machines inside the mill. It's amazing to think that the river was basically the engine of the factory. I'll make a separate video to explain the power and transmission system in Suffolk Mill. This is the part of my visit to Lowell that fascinated me the most. The system is both ingenious and remarkably simple, using nothing more than water power, turbines, gears, shafts, and belts. It efficiently transmitted mechanical power throughout the entire mill. So what's the difference between the 2 mills? Boott Mill is mainly about textile production and the people who worked there. Suffolk Mill helps us understand the engineering and water power that made the factories work. Together, they tell the story of how water, machines, factories, and people helped build America's Industrial Revolution. Thanks for exploring Lowell with me. See you next time.